Hello everyone and welcome back. It's time for our reading practice.
All right, class. Let's finish our story about the frog in the swamp. Now, remember how we do this. You listen carefully to me first, and then you'll read along with me. Are we all ready? Let's begin. Okay, here's the first part. Listen. At first, they thought of jumping into the mud to save their friend, but it could be dangerous. Now, it's your turn. Read with me. It could be dangerous. That's it. And that word, dangerous, means khatarnak.
Okay, the next sentence is, they could get stuck in the swamp themselves.
Ready? Read with me. Get stuck. Well done. And to get stuck means pansjana.
Okay, listen now. They changed their mind and thought of another idea. Now you try. Read with me. Another idea. Excellent.
And what did they do next? They went to the nearby forest in search of a rope or a stick.
Okay, let's say this part together. Read with me. A rope or a stick. Good. That means rasi ya chari.
So, listen closely. They could not find a rope, but they found a long stick.
All right, your turn. Read with me. A long stick. Perfect. And a long stick is a lambi chhadi.
Oh, look at the picture. Their poor friend was still stuck in it and was crying in fear.
Let's read that together. Read with me. Crying in fear. Yes, that's right. Crying in fear means khauf se ro raha tha.
So, what did his friends do? Listen. Both the frogs held one end of the stick and extended the other end to their friend. Okay, read this with me. Held the stick. Wonderful. And this means chhadi ko pakda.
And then, the frog in the swamp held the stick tightly.
Your turn. Read with me. Held tightly. Very good. Held tightly means mazbooti se pakda.
And look what's happening now. Then they pulled him out slowly.
Let's say that together now. Read with me. Pulled him out. Excellent. And that means use bahir khench liya.
He's free. Let's read what happened. The frog became unstuck and offered thanks to Almighty Allah.
Okay, read with me now. Offered thanks. Yes, that's it. Offered thanks means shukriya ada kiya. And he made a promise. He said, I will never do this again. I will always ask my mama or papa's permission first. He promised.
This is a very important part. Let's read it. Read with me. Ask permission first. That's right. And this means pehle ijazat lena.
And how did his friends feel? Well, his friends were very happy. Your turn. Read with me. Very happy. Good. And then they hugged each other and went back home. Let's read that last bit together. Went back home. Perfect.
That was wonderful reading, everyone. Very, very good. And with that, we have finished our lesson for today. Thank you so much for reading with me.